Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will perform this quota. What is this quota? This quota is what? To provide limited space to the client computer. So this quota you can provide like implement to folder. We can also implement to drive, implement to user. Anywhere you can perform the quota. Like quota you can implement for folder, drive, user also. Like suppose if you will share any folder, C drive, right click, new folder, Kabul, right click, properties, share this folder, everyone, add, read write, share, done. So guys, client can use whole space. Also just create one user like tsa.msc kabul.com. This is my domain name. Right click, create one user, suppose user1, next password @123, password @123, next, and finish. One more user account also we can create to verify this quota. User2, next password @123, password @123, done. User1, user2 created. Okay, here right click on computer and goes to properties, advanced system setting, computer name, change this client, domain name give there kabul.com, then we will give administrator, password @123, welcome to kabul.com domain, so that we will log in same user. We have to reboot our device. That's okay. Move to server, close this, and right click on C drive and goes to properties, quota, enable this quota, space 10 KB, suppose will give warning message 9 KB, apply and okay. this is my client. Wait for some time. Once it will initialize, then we will log in. So here you can implement your quota on behalf of the drive we have given. So message is please wait, then we will log in with the help of user 1. Alt control insert other computer, user 1, password @123. So guys, I'm trying to log in this system. Wait for a few seconds so that we will verify our quota limit. Okay guys, so check here, right? This is my server computer. Here we have implemented quota should be denied. We have to click on deny option. Okay, now just log in, user 1, password @123. Here guys, window R //10.1 server IP. This is the folder. Right click, new bitmap image, right click, edit. Here just give the color so that size will increase. Save. See, this full while accessing this one, because we have given maximum size 10. Right click, properties, quota, remove this. Okay, now if you want to save, see, you can see. If you want to copy, you can copy also. Again, if you want to copy, you can copy also. So this is about the disk quota on drive. If you want to implement this quota enable deny quota entries. Here you can put the entry for user 1. Quota, new quota entry. We have created user 1. Okay, space 10 and 9 KB. Okay, close. Okay, and close. See guys, remove this one. And log off and log into the same user and access this folder. Double click, new text file. See, there is not enough space on Kabul, so that we cannot create even file. This is the server guys. Right click on C drive, properties, quota, remove this. Okay, try again. See, sort otherwise new bitmap image, right click, edit, control S. See, you can save this option because we have removed from there. You can use like this. Now guys, in server manager, so guys, we have implemented quota on folder, quota for user, and you can also implement quota on folder. So guys, if you want to implement quota on folder, so here we have new feature along with the server, add roles and feature. Next, here you can select FSRM, File System Resource Manager, so that quota option will come. Next, and install. So we have to install this FSRM so that quota option will come. Then we will configure quota on folder, because previous we have implemented quota on drive, disk quota on user. Now last we are doing quota on folder. I will show you. This is the new feature of server. So guys, installation succeeded. Close. Here, file server resource manager. Open this. FSRM. See guys, here we have quotas and quota template. So do one thing, right click and create quota template. Before that, do one thing, here just create one folder by the name of, suppose, quota, and share this. So we will implement this quota on folder. Everyone add, can read and write, share, done, close. Now guys, right click on quota templates, create quota template, space you can give anything, template like my temp, limit is 10 KB, hard quota we cannot exceed the limit, soft quota you can exceed the limit also. Add, here if you want to add an email ID and all for Exchange server, so you can add, otherwise it's not required. Press OK. 10 KB hard quota. Right click on quotas, create quota, browse, folder was quota. OK. Right click here, means click there. My folder was, actually we have given the name my temp. Create. Quota size is 10 KB, hard drive, my temp. So we have implemented this quota on which folder? Quota only. Verify this. start run server IP quota, right click, new, bit image, create it, very good, edit, give, Ctrl S, C. This full while accessing quota new bitmap image. So this is about the quotas on folder. See, here we have implemented on this. If you want to increase the size, suppose 10 GB, okay, now space is 10 GB. Now you can save, Ctrl S. You can extend the quota limit, you can increase the space, give the boundary line, copy, perform anything. See, but once you will decrease the size, KB, okay, then here just copy again, paste, you cannot extend. So guys, this is complete about the disk quota. So quota you can implement for folder, you can implement for user, for drive also, these three things. Thank you so much. Have a good day guys. Khuda Hafiz, see you.